Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It depends on the exact model of own generator. The 3600 RPM units, most commonly ones built since the mid-1990s between 2600 watts and 4000 watts with proper service, will last around 1500 hours, maybe a bit more if you are lucky. The 5600 watt and higher gas models are typically good for 2500 to 3000 hours, and the 23rd of February 2019.
Take our lead.
25 to 30 years. Typical lifespan for standby generators is 25 to 30 years. For applications operating outside of standby, engine life is dependent on run hours, maintenance cycles, and the quality of installation. 20 September 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.